Okay, it's Christmas. Santa bought me some new workshop boots, look. Still thinking about what to do here with this boat. I really don't know what to do. I really don't. I'll super regret not finishing it. On the other hand, I feel as if it's going to be really heavy and unwieldy if I do finish it. Anyway, enough rambling on. I've rambled on about that all the time. So I have actually cleaned it up underneath, which I think did I show you that in the last video? Anyway, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to continue stripping out Jodie B for the deep test, and yeah, it's quite a bit of work to do there. Okay, I've cleaned up as far as here, and this thing, I'm leaving most of these little brackety things. Oh, you can't see that. I'm leaving most of these little brackets on because they're probably going to be quite useful. But that one, I just don't like it. It's obviously for pipe work, but I'm not keen. I'm not keen on that. It's going to come off.
There's no help from the other end of the room, I can tell you.
I've done underneath. Now that brown, it looks like rust, but it isn't. It's actually like a red oxide paint that's been put on. So that is, I've done all the underneath, and the only thing I've got to do last thing now, well, just for the underneath anyway, is just to take this off. Now I'm not sure what it is, but I suspect that it was for the drop weights. It looks like a drop weight mechanism, so let's get it unbolted because I want to clean up on the underside of here. Here's the penetrator straight out from, I don't know, however long it's been in there. Even the O-ring doesn't seem too bad. It probably would still seal even as just like that. There's nothing wrong with that. That can go back in. Hopefully you can see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and leave as much as is humanly possible in here. So all this stuff can stay in. This needs blanking off. This is the oxygen, the high pressure relief or pressure reducing regulator. Oh, it's really awkward without a deck. And I think I'm going to take this off because that's that off. Okay, so I need to put a stopper on that. It's the high pressure inlet. Now it's got to come off. This needs to come off, as do these. So let's see how I did that. Internal pressure gauges. Oh. Where's the screwdriver? Hey, where's it gone? I've used it to undo those, and now literally it's disappeared. I mean, this is really spooky. And then it just appears out of the heavens somehow. That was a bit weird. I suppose it's Christmas. Two off. And that's basically that's just a locking pin, locking nut thing. So you can sort of works in kind of rubbishy way. So this is an inclinometer that I made. Doesn't seem to be working anymore. Right, these are the pedals, the control pedals for the aft motor. And I made these deliberately with these wing nuts so that I can take it off easily whilst underwater if need be, if I felt that there was a leak and this deck needs to come off. So this can come out like that and off, and we can get the deck up pretty quick. Next we've got the depth gauge, depth sounder, and this is literally the cheapest one you can just about get. I think it cost about £17. And the reason I used it is because it has a coax connection, or only two pins, so I could feed it through the only two spare pins I had left. All the others have got more than two pins, so they're no good. So I had to use this cheap one, and to be fair, it seems to work. I mean, it gives me a depth. I mean, if I switch it on, well, actually, it's not going to say anything. It's not plugged in, is it? Dimbo. But it does shows fish and stuff. You know, you can see the massive fish underneath. It's really good. Kind of £17 sort of way. Right, I think that's it. Actually, there's this. That's just a little kind of handy holder thing. Pair of socks in it. And the other thing that I'm not 100% sure of is these. Now, they really should stay in as part of the test, but on the other hand, they're oil filled, and if the boat's filled with water, they're going to get water into the oil. I'm not happy with that, so I don't quite know what to do with those. Or just have a quick look at this. There's absolutely no need to do it now, but for some reason it's stopped tilting. Don't know why. Let's have a quick look, just out of interest. Come on, good go. Yes. There we go. There we are. Right, that's it. Come on, there you go.